Volusia counties. We've got a tornado warning till 4:30 for northeastern Page County, northeastern Cook County, and a tornado warning till 4:45 for northeastern McHenry County and northern Lake County. Severe thunderstorm warnings run to 4:15.
Be inside, everybody. Now it's coming a little bit harder again. Getting wet again.
I think it's in the other side.
Very wet and windy for
Jarvis?
Terry Kester, News Radio.
Oh, is it here?
105.9 FM.
Now let's bring you the latest in the aftermath of the violence.
Oh my God.
In downtown Chicago. Numerous businesses were damaged by looters starting just after midnight.
This is the worst ever. We just had a tornado warning and look what happened. Oh my God, a lot of trees fell. Look at that. A lot of trees fell and we just need to go out. Look. We need to go back to our apartment. And this one, my brother-in-law's house, that's it. The tree fell on the house. It's crazy. Natanggal na yung nabol na yung tree sa. Let's go.
No,
we can't.
I mean, we
can't.
I don't know how we're gonna get there. I have to call work. Let's go back inside and call work.
Yeah.
Let's go back inside.
Yung mga, yan, natanggal na yung light sa poste. Hindi na kami makalabas. Yung sasakyan namin, andun. Ngayon, sasakyan, hindi na makalabas. Wala na kami palagyan. Yung sasakyan na yan, kawawa. Ito, guys, wait, need to go back in. So, ito yung nangyari sa kwarto ng anak ng kapatid na asawa ko. Yung tree na natumba kanina, ayan, pumasok yung branch dito sa bahay. At ang daming mga basag-basag na glasses all over. Buti na lang wala sila dito at wala yung mga bata. Kasi mas delikado, 'di ba? So, we just have to wait for someone to come para ma-arrange to or ma-clean up to. Kasi ang dami talagang bubog, oh. Kahit yung sa bed ng bata, ito din, maraming bubog. Ayan. Ganito po kalala sa lugar namin. Look. Oh my God. We were just so lucky na hindi natamaan yung car. It's just crazy how it looks like now. These cars are lucky. Oh my. See how many trees? And basa pa. Oh. It's crazy. We'll have to check how our place looks like now. I bet you Pratt has a lot of trees fallen too. Look at that. It's uprooted, babe.
Oh my God.
Look how.
At that.
Look at. Oh my God. It's just crazy. Yan. Oh, let's go. Para po kaming nasa gubat. Dahil dito, kailangan namin makatawid para makita namin yung apartment. Anong lagay ng apartment namin. Kasi ngayon nandito kami sa bahay ng kapatid ng asawa. Oh, so, ayun. May mga power lines na natumba din. So, I don't know how long it will take to fix everything. But, it's probably a long time. A day or two, maybe 3. Yan na po ang parang jungle. Parang jungle po. Yeah. Yung sidewalk doon, umangat na. Yun, so, dyan ako dumaan kanina. Hininto ako ng Uber ko. hinito ako ng Uber ko kasi nga hindi makadaan dahil sa naputol na tree. So, ayun. Yan na ngayon. At least na-clear na medyo konti na-clear. Pero, yan pa rin. Parang guba talaga guys. Para kaming nasa parang end of the world na ganun. Movie. Ganun siya. Yan. Yan yung car namin. Yan yung car. So, let's go. At least tumila na yung ulan. Ito na siya ngayon. At least na-clear na dun. At least na-clear na dun. Na-clear na din dito konti. Kahapon talaga, hindi yan madaanan lahat. Tapos dito din, hindi madaanan. Buti na-clear na konti.